GC. So just going to start with the daily chart, and this is why I'm not trading GC and the metals at the moment. We can still pop up here for this alt 4, or this can be a series of 1-2s, and we're going to drop down here. Looking at the GDX doesn't help. I've got a clean ABC up into the 1.0 extension for a potential 4 in the GDX, but it didn't come as high as I was looking for. Therefore, all of that can be an A wave in the GDX. The move down that we're getting at the moment, a B wave, and we still pop up higher. So that doesn't help lend any more clarity or thinking to the position in GC at the moment. Now, if this is the 4, I've got 5 down to here for a 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 1, 2. So providing we stay below the peak here, we can come down straight away to our target at 11.49. Take that peak out, and I think we're going to 12.25 and possibly as high as 12.36, and then we come down in that final fifth in GC. And just honing that in for the hourly chart for you, there's that second 2 at 12.15.6. That's the high that we now need to see hold. Take that out, followed by 12.18, and we're going at least 10 points higher than that in GC before we start the fifth back down again.